Hi there. When we're doing a new video, I'm going to make a track and I'm going to tell the names to Shushuli. Let's make a track first. First, to make a very long track. We're going to make a very long track first. A very long track. Now let's make this one. Go up some turn. Go up the turn. And I'm going to dive into the long track. You help me to hold it? Cal, I need to hold this from tipping over. There it goes. Squash tape. Then want to make a good track. It goes up and down and one. I make a twisty track and up and down one. Dragons. Here we go. That was so cool! Whoa! Now we're going to twist the card. Here comes the one. Okay, there we go, there it goes. There it goes! Boom! This tiger card is locked out. But this one is in. This one is a winner of the game. Huh. Oh man. Let's make another one. This is a good track. This one, what? It's a trampoline track. It's a Discord. This would be so ouch, right? Super fast. Very fast, right? Jungle one. I can't find it. I don't know where is it. Nothing. elf color. This one. This is the winner. This one's winner. Watch this.